وما من دابة في الأرض إلا على الله رزقها ويعلم مستقرها ومستودعها كل في كتاب مبين.
And there is no moving creature on the earth except that its sustenance is upon Allah's bestowal, and He knows its abode and its place of being deposited. All is in a clear book.
وهو الذي خلق السماوات والأرض في 6 أيام وكان عرشه على الماء ليبلوكم أيكم أحسن عملا ولئن قلت إنكم مبعوثون من بعد الموت ليقولن الذين كفروا إن هذا إلا سحر مبين.
It is He who created the heavens and the earth in 6 days, and His throne was upon water, to test which of you is best in deeds. And if you, dear beloved prophets, say, O people, you will be resurrected after death, then those who disbelieve will certainly reply, this Quran is only clear magic.
ولئن أخرنا عنهم العذاب إلى أمة معدودة ليقولن ما يحبسه ألا يوم يأتيهم ليس مصروفا عنهم وحاق بهم ما كانوا به يستهزئون.
And if we defer punishment from them until a specified time, they will most definitely say, what has impeded it? Pay heed. The day when it shall come upon them, it will not be turned away from them, and what they were mocking will surround them.
وَلَئِنْ أَذَقْنَا الْإِنسَانَ مِنَّا رَحْمَةً ثُمَّ نَزَعْنَاهَا مِنْهُ إِنَّهُ لَيَئُوسٌ كَفُورٌ.
If we make man taste any mercy from us, then seize it from him, he will become deeply despondent, most ungrateful.
وَلَئِنْ أَذَقْنَاهُ نَعْمَاءَ بَعْدَ ضَرَّاءَ مَسَّتْهُ لَيَقُولَنَّ ذَهَبَ السَّيِّئَاتُ عَنِّي إِنَّهُ لَفَرِحٌ فَخُورٌ.
If we let him taste prosperity after calamity which afflicted him, he will most certainly say, evils have left me. He becomes jubilant, most arrogant.
إِلَّا الَّذِينَ صَبَرُوا وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ أولئك لهم مغفرة وأجر كبير.
Except those who are patient and performed righteous deeds, there is forgiveness and a great reward for them.
فلعلك تارك بعض ما يوحى إليك وضائق به صدرك أن يقولوا لولا أنزل عليه كنز أو جاء معه ملك إنما أنت نذير والله على كل شيء وكيل.
So will you leave part of what was revealed to you? And will your heart be constrained by that, as they, the disbelievers, say? Why does a treasure not come down upon him, or angel accompany him? You are but a warner, and Allah is the guardian over all affairs.
أم يقولون افتراه قل فأتوا بعشر سور مثله مفتريات وادعوا من استطعتم من دون الله إن كنتم صادقين.
Do they say, he, the Prophet, fabricated it? i.e., the Quran? Say, so bring forth 10 chapters, i.e., surahs like it, invented, and call upon whomsoever you can apart from Allah if you are truthful.
فإن لم يستجيبوا لكم فاعلموا أنما أنزل بعلم الله وأن لا إله إلا هو فهل أنتم مسلمون.
So if they are incapable of responding to you, then know that it has indeed been sent down with the knowledge of Allah, and that there is none worthy of worship but Him. So will you accept?
من كان يريد الحياة الدنيا وزينتها نوف إليهم أعمالهم فيها وهم فيها لا يبخسون.
Whosoever desires the life of this world and its adornment, we shall recompense them fully for their deeds in this life, and they will not receive less in it.
أولئك الذين ليس لهم في الآخرة إلا النار وحبط ما صنعوا فيها وباطل ما كانوا يعملون.
They are those for whom there is no hereafter except the fire. Whatever they did therein was destroyed, and their deeds were futile.
أفمن كان على بينة من ربه ويتلوه شاهد منه ومن قبله كتاب موسى إماما ورحمة أولئك يؤمنون به ومن يكفر به من الأحزاب فالنار موعده فلا تك في مرية منه إنه الحق من ربك ولكن أكثر الناس لا يؤمنون.
So is he who is upon clear evidence from his Lord, and a witness from Allah comes to him. And before it, the Quran was the book of Musa, a guide and mercy. They believe in it, and whosoever disbelieves from the groups, the fire is his promised abode. So, O listener, do not be in doubt regarding it. Indeed, it is the truth from your Lord. However, most people do not believe.
ومن أظلم ممن افترى على الله كذبا أولئك يعرضون على ربهم ويقول الأشهاد هؤلاء كذبوا على ربهم ألا لعنة الله على الظالمين.
And who is a greater oppressor than he who ascribes a lie to Allah? They will be brought before their Lord, and the witnesses will say, these are the very people who ascribed lies to Allah. Pay heed, the curse of Allah is upon the oppressors.
الذين يصدون عن سبيل الله ويبغونها عوجا وهم بالآخرة هم كافرون.
Those who prevent from the path of Allah and desire to make it crooked, and it is they who deny the hereafter.
أولئك لم يكونوا معجزين في الأرض وما كان لهم من دون الله من أولياء يضاعف لهم العذاب ما كانوا يستطيعون السمع وما كانوا يبصرون.
They did not overpower Allah in the earth, and other than Allah they have no helper. Their punishment will be intensified manifold. They were not able to hear and they did not see.
أولئك الذين خسروا أنفسهم وضل عنهم ما كانوا يفترون.
These are the very people who incurred loss for themselves, and their slandering has forsaken them.
لا جرم أنهم في الآخرة هم الأخسرون.
Undoubtedly, in the hereafter they shall be the worst losers.
إن الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وأخبتوا إلى ربهم أولئك أصحاب الجنة هم فيها خالدون.
Indeed, those who believed and did righteous deeds and turned to their Lord, these very people are the inhabitants of paradise. They shall reside therein forever.
مثل الفريقين كالأعمى والأصم والبصير والسميع هل يستويان مثلا أفلا تذكرون.
The example of both parties is like that of one who is blind and deaf, and another who sees and hears. Are both the same? So do you not accept advice?
ولقد أرسلنا نوحا إلى قومه إني لكم نذير مبين.
We certainly sent Nuh to his nation. He said, indeed, I am a clear warner for you.
ألا تعبدوا إلا الله إني أخاف عليكم عذاب يوم أليم.
That you worship none but Allah. Indeed, I fear for you the retribution of a painful day.
فقال الملأ الذين كفروا من قومه ما نراك إلا بشرا مثلنا وما نراك اتبعك إلا الذين هم أراذلنا وما نراك اتبعك إلا الذين هم أراذلنا بادي الرأي وما نرى لكم علينا من فضل بل نظنكم كاذبين.
So the chiefs of the disbelievers from his nation said, "We do not see you except as a human being like us, and we do not see anyone following you except the most inferior of us without reflection. We do not see in you any excellence over us. Rather, we consider you liars."
قال يا قوم أرأيتم إن كنت على بينة من ربي وآتاني رحمة من عنده فعميت عليكم أنلزمكموها وأنتم لها كارهون.
He, Nuh, said, "My nation, do reveal if I am upon evidence from my Lord, and he has endowed me with mercy from his court to which you remain blind. Should we force it upon you while you are averse to it?"
ويا قوم لا أسألكم عليه مالا إن أجري إلا على الله وما أنا بطارد الذين آمنوا إنهم ملاقو ربهم ولكني أراكم قوما تجهلون.
My nation, I do not ask you for wealth for this. My reward is with Allah, and I will not exclude those who believe. Surely they will meet their Lord. However, I consider you to be an ignorant nation.
ويا قوم من ينصرني من الله إن طردتهم أفلا تذكرون.
My nation, who will save me from Allah if ever I exclude them? Do you not attain advice?
ولا أقول لكم عندي خزائن الله ولا أعلم الغيب ولا أقول إني ملك ولا أقول للذين تزدري أعينكم لن يؤتيهم الله خيرا الله أعلم بما في أنفسهم إني إذا لمن الظالمين.
I do not say to you that I possess the treasures of Allah, and I do not know the unseen independently. I do not say I am an angel, and I do not say regarding the poor Muslims, whom your eyes view as inferior, that Allah will never grant them any good. Allah knows best what is in their hearts. If I say such things, I shall be among the oppressors.
قالوا يا نوح قد جادلتنا فأكثرت جدالنا فأتنا بما تعدنا إن كنت من الصادقين.
They said, "O Nuh, you have certainly disputed with us, and you have disputed with us excessively. So bring forth upon us what you have warned us of, if you are among the truthful."
قال إنما يأتيكم به الله إن شاء وما
said, Allah alone will bring it to you if He wills, and you will not overpower Allah.
ولا ينفعكم نصحي إن أردت أن أنصح لكم إن كان الله يريد أن يغويكم هو ربكم وإليه ترجعون.
And my counsel shall not benefit you even if I want to advise you, if Allah wills to send you astray. He is your Lord, and to Him you will be returned.
أم يقولون افتراه قل إن افتريته فعلي إجرامي وأنا بريء مما تجرمون.
Do they say, He, Nuh, has fabricated it? Say, if I have fabricated it, then my transgression is upon me, and I am free from your transgression.
وأوحي إلى نوح أنه لن يؤمن من قومك إلا من قد آمن فلا تبتئس بما كانوا يفعلون.
The revelation was sent to Nuh that your nation will never believe except those who have already embraced faith. So do not be saddened by what they do.
واصنع الفلك بأعيننا ووحينا ولا تخاطبني في الذين ظلموا إنهم مغرقون.
And build the ark under our care, with our directions, and do not speak to me concerning the oppressors. They will be drowned.
ويصنع الفلك وكلما مر عليه ملأ من قومه سخروا منه قال إن تسخروا منا فإنا نسخر منكم كما تسخرون.
He began to build the ark, and whenever the chiefs from his nation passed by him, they ridiculed him. He, Nuh, said, If you laugh at us, then we shall laugh at you just as you are laughing.
فسوف تعلمون من يأتيه عذاب يخزيه ويحل عليه عذاب مقيم.
So soon you will come to know against whom there will be a punishment that will humiliate him, and upon whom eternal torment will descend.
حتى إذا جاء أمرنا وفارت النور قل نحمل فيها من كل زوجين اثنين وأهلك إلا من سبق عليه القول وما آمن معه إلا قليل.
When our command came, and the oven began to boil, we said, Embark therein, every male and female pair, and your family except those for whom the decree of punishment has been specified, and those who believe. And only a few people had embraced faith with him.
وقال اركبوا فيها بسم الله مجريها ومرساها إن ربي لغفور رحيم.
He, Nuh, said, Embark it. Its sailing and its stopping is with the name of Allah. Indeed, my Lord is most forgiving, most merciful.
وهي تجري بهم في موج كالجبال ونادى نوح ابنه وكان في معزل يا بني اركب معنا ولا تكن مع الكافرين.
And it was sailing, carrying them amidst waves like mountains. And Nuh called out to his son, who was aside, outside the ship, O my son, embark with us, and do not be with the disbelievers.
قال سآوي إلى جبل يعصمني من الماء قال لا عاصم اليوم من أمر الله إلا من رحم وحال بينهما الموج فكان من المغرقين.
He, Canaan, said, I will take refuge in a mountain right away. It will save me from the water. He, Nuh, said, This day there is no saviour from the punishment of Allah. However, the one upon whom He bestows mercy will be saved. And a wave came between them, so he was among the drowned.
وقيل يا أرض ابلعي ماءك ويا سماء أقلعي وغيض الماء وقضي الأمر واستوت على الجودي وقيل بعدا للقوم الظالمين.
It was said, O earth, swallow your water, and O sky, withhold. And the water was made to subside, and the matter was over. And the ark stopped at Mount Judy, and it was said, Destruction for the oppressors.
ونادى نوح ربه فقال رب إن ابني من أهلي وإن وعدك الحق وأنت أحكم الحاكمين.
And Nuh called out to his Lord, so he said, My Lord, indeed my son is from my family, and surely your promise is true. You are the greatest of judges.
قال يا نوح إنه ليس من أهلك إنه عمل غير صالح فلا تسألني ما ليس لك به علم إني أعظك أن تكون من الجاهلين.
He, Allah, said, O Nuh, indeed he is not from your family. His deeds are unrighteous. So do not ask me about the matter which you do not know. Certainly I advise you lest you be of those who are unaware.
قال رب إني أعوذ بك أن أسألك ما ليس لي به علم وإلا تغفر لي وترحمني أكن من الخاسرين.
He said, O my Lord, indeed I seek your protection from asking you for that which I have no knowledge of. And if you do not forgive me and have mercy on me, I will be of those who incur loss.
قيل يا نوح اهبط بسلام منا وبركات عليك وعلى أمم ممن معك وأمم سنمتعهم نمتعهم ثم يمسهم منا عذاب أليم.
It was said, O Nuh, disembark with peace from us and blessings upon you and upon the nations of your companions, and soon we shall grant benefit to some nations, then painful punishment will befall them from us.
تلك من أنباء الغيب نوحيها إليك ما كنت تعلمها أنت ولا قومك من قبل هذا فاصبر إن العاقبة للمتقين.
These are some accounts of the unseen that we revealed to you. You and your nation did not know of these matters prior to this, so be patient. Surely the good outcome belongs only to the righteous.
وإلى عاد أخاهم هودا قال يا قوم اعبدوا الله ما لكم من إله غيره إن أنتم إلا مفترون.
And to Ad we sent their brother Hud. He said, My nation, worship Allah. You have no God other than Him. You only fabricate lies.
يا قوم لا أسألكم عليه أجرا إن أجري إلا على الذي فطرني أفلا تعقلون.
My nation, I do not ask you for any recompense for it. My reward is only with He who created me. Do you not have intelligence?
ويا قوم استغفروا ربكم ثم توبوا إليه يرسل السماء عليكم مدرارا ويزدكم قوة إلى قوتكم ولا تتولوا مجرمين.
My nation, seek forgiveness from your Lord, then repent in His court. He will send heavy rain upon you and increase your strength. Do not turn away as transgressors.
قالوا يا هود ما جئتنا ببينة وما نحن بتاركي آلهتنا عن قولك وما نحن لك بمؤمنين.
They said, O Hud, you have not come to us with any evidence, and we will not renounce our gods merely due to your words. We do not believe in you.
إن نقول إلا اعتراك بعض آلهتنا بسوء قال إني أشهد الله واشهدوا أني بريء مما تشركون.
We only say this, that one of our gods has afflicted you with evil. He who said, Indeed, I make Allah a witness, and you be witnesses too, that I reject whatever partners you associate.
من دونه فكيدوني جميعا ثم لا تنظرون.
With him, so plot against me collectively without respite.
إني توكلت توكلت على الله ربي وربكم ما من دابة إلا هو آخذ بناصيتها إن ربي على صراط مستقيم.
I have placed my trust in Allah, my Lord and your Lord. There is no moving creature in the earth except that its forelock, i.e. existence, is in His control. Indeed, my Lord is found upon the straight path.
فإن تولوا فقد أبلغتكم ما أرسلت به إليكم ويستخلف ربي قوما غيركم ولا تضرونه شيئا إن ربي على كل شيء حفيظ.
Then if you turn away, I have certainly conveyed to you what I was sent with, and my Lord shall bring forth others in your place, and you will not be able to harm him at all. My Lord is a guardian over everything.
ولما جاء أمرنا نجينا هودا والذين آمنوا معه برحمة منا ونجيناهم من عذاب غليظ.
And when our decree came to pass, we granted salvation to Hud and those who believed with him out of our mercy, and we saved them from severe punishment.
وتلك عاد جحدوا بآيات ربهم وعصوا رسله واتبعوا أمر كل جبار عنيد.
And this was Ad. They denied the verses of their Lord and disobeyed his messengers, and they followed the instruction of every obstinate oppressor.
وأتبعوا في هذه الدنيا لعنة ويوم القيامة ألا إن عادا كفروا ربهم ألا بعدا لعاد قوم هود.
And they are followed by a curse in this world and on the day of judgment. Pay heed. Indeed, Ad disbelieved in their Lord. Pay heed. Ad, the nation of Hud, is deprived.
وإلى ثمود أخاهم صالحا قال يا قوم اعبدوا الله ما لكم من إله غيره هو أنشأكم من الأرض واستعمركم فيها فاستغفروه ثم توبوا إليه إن ربي قريب مجيب.
And to Thamud we sent their brother in nation, Salih. He said, O my nation, worship Allah. There is none worthy of worship for you other than Him. He created you from the earth and made you reside therein. So seek forgiveness from Him, then turn to Him in repentance. Indeed, my Lord is near and accepts supplications.
قالوا يا صالح قد كنت فينا مرجوا قبل هذا أتنهانا أن نعبد ما يعبد آباؤنا وإننا لفي شك مما تدعونا إليه مريب.
They said, O Salih, we had high hopes for you before this. Do you forbid us from worshipping what our forefathers worshipped? We are skeptical about what you call us towards.
قال يا قوم أرأيتم إن كنت على بينة من ربي وآتاني منه رحمة فمن ينصرني من الله إن عصيته فما تزيدونني غير تخسير.
He said, My nation, do reveal if I am upon clear evidence from my Lord, and he has endowed me with mercy from himself. Then who will save me from him, were I to disobey him? So you will not increase anything other than loss for me.
ويا قوم هذه ناقة الله لكم آية فذروها تأكل في أرض الله ولا تمسوها بسوء فيأخذكم عذاب قريب.
My nation, this is the she-camel of Allah, a sign for you. So let her roam freely to graze in Allah's earth, and do not touch her with harm, lest a close punishment should seize you.
فعقروها فقال تمتعوا في داركم 3 أيام ذلك وعد غير مكذوب.
So they hamstrung her. Then Salih said, Take benefit within your abodes for 3 days. This is a promise, not a lie.
فلما جاء أمرنا نجينا صالحا والذين آمنوا معه برحمة منا ومن خزي يومئذ إن ربك هو القوي العزيز.
So when our decree came to pass, we granted salvation to Salih and those who believed with him through our mercy, and we saved them from the humiliation of that day. Your Lord, He is all-powerful, predominant.
وأخذ الذين ظلموا الصيحة فأصبحوا في ديارهم جاثمين.
And the piercing cry seized the oppressors. So in the morning they were lying prostrate, lifeless within their homes.
كأن لم يغنوا فيها ألا إن ثمود كفروا ربهم ألا بعدا لثمود.
As if they had never resided therein. Pay heed, Thamud disbelieved in their Lord. Pay heed, Thamud is damned.
ولقد جاءت رسلنا إبراهيم بالبشرى قالوا سلاما قال سلام فما لبث أن جاء بعجل حنيذ.
And our angels came to Ibrahim with glad tidings. They said, "Peace, salam." He replied, "Peace," and did not delay in bringing a roasted calf.
فلما رأى أيديهم لا تصل إليه نكرهم وأوجس منهم خيفة قالوا لا تخف إنا أرسلنا إلى قوم لوط.
When he saw that their hands did not extend towards the food, he was overawed by them and felt a fear of them. They said, "Fear not. Indeed, we have been sent to the nation of Lut."
وامرأته قائمة فضحكت فبشرناها بإسحاق ومن وراء إسحاق يعقوب.
And his wife was standing there, so she laughed. Then we gave her glad tidings of Ishaq, and after Ishaq, Yaqub.
قالت يا ويلتى أألد وأنا عجوز وهذا بعلي شيخا إن هذا لشيء عجيب.
She said, "How strange! Will I give birth to a child while I am aged, and my husband is an elderly man? Indeed, this matter is certainly strange."
قالوا أتعجبين من أمر الله رحمة الله وبركاته عليكم أهل البيت إنه حميد مجيد.
They said, "Are you astonished by Allah's decree, O people of the house? May the mercy of Allah and His blessings be upon you. Indeed, He is most praiseworthy, most glorious."
فلما ذهب عن إبراهيم الروع وجاءته البشرى يجادلنا في قوم لوط.
So when fear subsided from Ibrahim and glad tidings came to him, he began to argue with us regarding the nation of Lut.
إن إبراهيم لحليم أواه منيب.
Indeed, Ibrahim is forbearing, very tender-hearted, and one who returns to Allah.
يا إبراهيم أعرض عن هذا إنه قد جاء أمر ربك وإنهم آتيهم عذاب غير مردود.
We said, "O Ibrahim, turn away from this. Indeed, the decree of your Lord has come, and indeed a punishment is about to befall them which shall not be repelled."
ولما جاءت رسلنا لوطا سيء بهم وضاق بهم ذرعا وقال هذا يوم عصيب.
And when our angels came to Lut, he became anxious for them and restless at heart due to concern for them, and he said, "This is a most severe day."
وجاءه قومه يهرعون إليه ومن قبل كانوا يعملون السيئات قال يا قوم هؤلاء بناتي هن أطهر لكم فاتقوا الله ولا تخزوني في ضيفي أليس منكم رجل رشيد.
And his nation came running to him. They were committing evil actions before this. Ehud said, My nation, these are daughters of my nation. They are pure for you. So fear Allah and do not disgrace me before my guests. Is there not a single righteous man among you?
قالوا لقد علمت ما لنا في بناتك من حق وإنك لتعلم ما نريد.
They said, You certainly know that your nation's daughters are not for us, and indeed you know what we desire.
قال لو أن لي بكم قوة أو آوي إلى ركن شديد.
Ehud said, Would that I had the strength to oppose you, or I could seek refuge in a strong support.
قالوا يا لوط إنا رسل ربك لن يصلوا إليك فأسر بأهلك بقطع من الليل ولا يلتفت منكم أحد إلا امرأتك إنه مصيبها ما أصابهم إن موعدهم الصبح أليس الصبح بقريب.
They, angels, said, O Lut, surely we have been sent by your Lord. They will not be able to reach you. So depart with your family by night, and let none among you look back except your wife. That which will befall them will befall her. Indeed, their decreed time is the morning. Is the morning not near?
فلما جاء أمرنا جعلنا عاليها سافلها وأمطرنا عليها حجارة من سجيل منضود.
So when our decree came to pass, we made its upper part into its lower part, and showered upon them stones of baked clay continuously.
مسومة عند ربك وما هي من الظالمين ببعيد.
Marked by your Lord, they are not at all far from the oppressors.
وإلى مدين أخاهم شعيبا قال يا قوم اعبدوا الله ما لكم من إله غيره ولا تنقصوا المكيال والميزان إني أراكم بخير وإني أخاف عليكم عذاب يوم محيط.
To Madian we sent their brother Shoaib. He said, O my nation, worship Allah. There is none worthy of worship for you other than Him. And do not lessen in measure and weight. Indeed, I see you as affluent. And indeed, I fear for you the punishment of the encompassing day.
ويا قوم أوفوا المكيال والميزان بالقسط ولا تبخسوا الناس أشياءهم ولا تعثوا في الأرض مفسدين.
My nation, complete the tasks of weighing and measuring with justice, and do not lessen the items of the people, and do not roam around the earth spreading discord.
بقية الله خير لكم إن كنتم مؤمنين وما أنا عليكم بحفيظ.
That which remains from what Allah granted is better for you if you believe, and I am not a protector over you.
قالوا يا شعيب أصلاتك تأمرك أن نترك ما يعبد آباؤنا أو أن نفعل في أموالنا ما نشاء إنك لأنت الحليم الرشيد.
They said, O Shoaib, does your prayer command you that we abandon what our forefathers used to worship, or that we do not do what we desire with our wealth? Indeed, you are most intelligent and virtuous.
قال يا قوم أرأيتم إن كنت على بينة من ربي ورزقني منه رزقا حسنا وما أريد أن أخالفكم إلى ما أنهاكم عنه إن أريد إلا الإصلاح ما استطعت وما توفيقي إلا بالله عليه توكلت وإليه أنيب.
He, Shoaib, said, Do reveal if I am upon clear evidence from my Lord, and he has endowed me with good sustenance from himself, then why should I not preach to you? And I do not want to go against that which I forbid you. I only desire reform as much as I can, and my ability is only with the help of Allah. I have placed my trust in Him alone, and I only return to Him.
ويا قوم لا يجرمنكم شقاقي أن يصيبكم مثل ما أصاب قوم نوح أو قوم هود أو قوم صالح وما قوم لوط منكم ببعيد.
And O nation, my enmity must never incite you to the extent that there comes upon you the equivalent of that punishment which befell the nation of Nuh, or the nation of Hud, or the nation of Saleh, and the nation of Lut is not far from you at all.
واستغفروا ربكم ثم توبوا إليه إن ربي رحيم ودود.
And seek forgiveness from your Lord, then return to Him. Indeed, my Lord is most merciful, most loving.
قالوا يا شعيب ما نفقه كثيرا مما تقول وإنا لنراك فينا ضعيفا ولولا رهطك لرجمناك وما أنت علينا بعزيز.
They said, O Shu'aib, we do not understand much of what you say, and indeed we consider you to be weak among us. Were it not for your tribe, we would have stoned you. You have no honor over us.
قال يا قوم أرهطي أعز عليكم من الله واتخذتموه وراءكم ظهريا إن ربي بما تعملون محيط.
He, Shu'aib, said, My nation, is the influence of my tribe over you greater than Allah, and you have placed it, i.e., Allah's command, behind your backs? Indeed, my Lord encompasses all that you do.
وَيَا قَوْمِ اعْمَلُوا عَلَى مَكَانَتِكُمْ إِنِّي عَامِلٌ سوف تعلمون من يأتيه عذاب يخزيه ومن هو كاذب وارتقبوا إني معكم رقيب.
O my nation, work according to your position. I shall do my work. Soon you will come to know against whom there is a punishment that humiliates him and who is a liar. Wait, indeed I am waiting with you.
ولما جاء أمرنا نجينا شعيبا والذين آمنوا معه برحمة منا وأخذت الذين ظلموا الصيحة فأصبحوا في ديارهم جاثمين.
And when our decree came to pass, we granted salvation to Shu'aib and those who believed with him through our mercy. And the piercing cry seized the oppressors. So in the morning they were lying prostrate, lifeless within their homes.
كأن لم يغنوا فيها ألا بعدا لمدين كما بعدت ثمود.
As though they had never resided there. Pay heed. There is damnation for Madian, just as there was damnation for Thamud.
ولقد أرسلنا موسى بآياتنا وسلطان مبين.
And we sent Musa with our verses and clear predominance
إلى فرعون وملئه فاتبعوا أمر فرعون وما أمر فرعون برشيد.
to Pharaoh and his courtiers. So they followed the command of Pharaoh, and yet the command of Pharaoh was not at all right.
يقدم قومه يوم القيامة فأوردهم النار وبئس الود المورود.
He, Pharaoh, will be in front of his people on the day of judgment, so he shall lead them to the fire, and what an evil place of descent.
وأتبعوا في هذه لعنة ويوم القيامة بئس الرفد المرفود.
And they were followed by a curse in this world and on the day of judgment. What a terrible reward which they received.
ذلك من أنباء القرى نقصه عليك منها قائم وحصيد.
These are the chronicles of the towns. We relate them to you. Among them, some are standing present, and some have been severed.
وما ظلمناهم ولكن ظلموا أنفسهم فما أغنت عنهم آلهتهم التي يدعون من دون الله من شيء فما أغنت عنهم آلهتهم التي يدعون من دون الله من شيء لما جاء أمر ربك وما زادوهم غير تتبيب.
We did not oppress them, rather they wronged themselves. So the gods whom they worshipped other than Allah did not avail them at all when the decree of your Lord came to pass, and they only increased their loss.
وكذلك أخذ ربك إذا أخذ القرى وهي ظالمة إن أخذه أليم شديد.
Thus is the seizing of your Lord when he seizes the towns while its inhabitants are oppressors. Indeed, his seizing is extremely painful.
إن في ذلك لآية لمن خاف عذاب الآخرة ذلك يوم مجموع له الناس وذلك يوم مشهود.
Indeed, in this there is a sign for those who fear the punishment of the hereafter. This is the day when mankind shall be gathered for it, and all creation will be present.
وما نؤخره إلا لأجل معدود.
And we do not defer it except for a specified duration.
يوم يأتي لا تكلم نفس إلا بإذنه فمنهم شقي وسعيد.
When that day comes, no soul will speak except with his permission. Among them, some will be wretched and others will be fortunate.
فأما الذين شقوا ففي النار لهم فيها زفير وشهيق.
As for those who will be wretched, they shall be in the fire. They will bray and scream in it.
خالدين فيها ما دامت السماوات والأرض إلا ما شاء ربك إن ربك فعال لما يريد.
They will reside therein as long as the heavens and the earth remain, except whatever your Lord wills. Indeed, your Lord does what he intends.
وأما الذين سعدوا ففي الجنة خالدين فيها ما دامت السماوات والأرض إلا ما شاء ربك عطاء غير مجذوذ.
And as for those who will be fortunate, they will be in paradise, residing therein as long as the heavens and the earth remain, except whatever your Lord wills. This endowment is never ending.
فلا تك في مرية مما يعبد هؤلاء ما يعبدون إلا كما يعبد آباؤهم من قبل وإنا لموفوهم نصيبهم غير منقوص.
So, do not be in doubt regarding what these people worship. They only worship what their forefathers used to worship before this. Surely we shall recompense them their full share, not lessened.
ولقد آتينا موسى الكتاب فاختلف فيه ولولا كلمة سبقت من ربك لقضي بينهم وإنهم لفي شك منه مريب.
We granted Musa the book, then it was disputed. And had it not been for a word which preceded them from your Lord, the matter would certainly have been decided between them. And they are in deceiving skepticism about it.
وَإِنَّ كُلًّا لَمَّا لَيُوَفِّيَنَّهُمْ رَبُّكَ أَعْمَالَهُمْ إِنَّهُ بِمَا يَعْمَلُونَ خَبِيرٌ.
Your Lord will fully recompense all of them for their deeds. Indeed, He is aware of all that they do.
فاستقم كما أمرت ومن تاب معك ولا تطغوا إنه بما تعملون بصير.
So remain steadfast as you have been commanded, and those who return with you, and O people, do not transgress. Indeed, He sees all that you do.
ولا تركنوا إلى الذين ظلموا فتمسكم النار وما لكم من دون الله من أولياء ثم لا تنصرون.
Do not incline towards the oppressors, lest the fire should reach you, and there is no supporter for you other than Allah. Then you will not be helped.
وأقم الصلاة طرفي النهار وزلفا من الليل إن الحسنات يذهبن السيئات ذلك ذكرى للذاكرين.
And establish the prayer at the two ends of the day, and in some parts of the night. Indeed, righteous deeds erase evil deeds. This advice is for those who accept advice.
واصبر فإن الله لا يضيع أجر المحسنين.
And be patient. Indeed, Allah does not annul the reward of the virtuous.
فلولا كان من القرون من قبلكم أولو بقية ينهون عن الفساد في الأرض إلا قليلا ممن أنجينا منهم واتبع الذين ظلموا ما أترفوا فيه وكانوا مجرمين.
So why were there not from the civilizations before you people of excellence forbidding discord in the earth, except a few from those whom we saved among them? And the oppressors pursued the luxury they were given, and they were transgressors.
وما كان ربك ليهلك القرى بظلم وأهلها مصلحون.
And it does not befit your Lord that he destroys towns without reason while its inhabitants are righteous.
ولو شاء ربك لجعل الناس أمة واحدة ولا يزالون مختلفين.
Had your Lord willed, he would have certainly made all of mankind one nation, and people will always dispute.
إلا من رحم ربك ولذلك خلقهم وتمت كلمة ربك لأملأن جهنم من الجنة والناس أجمعين.
Except those upon whom your Lord has bestowed mercy, and Allah created them specifically for this, and the word of your Lord has been fulfilled, that I will most definitely fill hell with jinn and mankind altogether.
وَكُلًّا نَقُصُّ عَلَيْكَ مِنْ أَنْبَاءِ الرُّسُلِ مَا نُثَبِّتُ بِهِ فُؤَادَكَ وَجَاءَكَ فِي هَذِهِ الْحَقُّ وَمَوْعِظَةٌ وَذِكْرَى لِلْمُؤْمِنِينَ.
And we relate to you from the accounts of the messengers all that through which we may strengthen your heart. And there has come to you in this chapter the truth and an admonition and a reminder for the believers.
وَقُلْ لِلَّذِينَ لَا يُؤْمِنُونَ اعْمَلُوا عَلَى مَكَانَتِكُمْ إِنَّا عَامِلُونَ.
And say to those who do not embrace faith, work according to your position, we shall work too.
وَانْتَظِرُوا إِنَّا مُنْتَظِرُونَ.
And wait, indeed we are waiting too.
وَلِلَّهِ غَيْبُ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ وَإِلَيْهِ يُرْجَعُ الْأَمْرُ كُلُّهُ فَاعْبُدْهُ وَتَوَكَّلْ عَلَيْهِ وَمَا رَبُّكَ بِغَافِلٍ عَمَّا تَعْمَلُونَ.
And to Allah belongs the unseen of the heavens and the earth, and to Him alone every matter will be returned. So worship Him and place your trust in Him, and your Lord is not unaware of what you do. Surah Yusuf, Joseph. This surah is Meccan, containing 12 sections and 111 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
ألف لام را تلك آيات الكتاب المبين.
Alif Lam Ra. These are verses of the clear book.
إنا أنزلناه قرآنا عربيا لعلكم تعقلون.
We sent it down as an Arabic Quran that you may understand.
نحن نقص عليك أحسن القصص بما أوحينا إليك هذا القرآن وإن كنت من قبله لمن الغافلين.
We relate to you the best of accounts through what we reveal to you of this Quran, though before this you were among the unaware.
إذ قال يوسف لأبيه يا أبت إني رأيت 11 كوكبا والشمس والقمر رأيتهم لي ساجدين.
And remember when Yusuf said to his father, "My father, indeed I saw 11 stars and the sun and the moon. I saw them prostrate to me."
قال يا بني لا تقصص رؤياك على إخوتك فيكيدوا لك كيدا إن الشيطان للإنسان عدو مبين.
He, Yaqub, said, "My son, do not relate your dream to your brothers, lest they plot against you. Certainly Satan is an open enemy of mankind."
وكذلك يجتبيك ربك ويعلمك من تأويل الأحاديث ويتم نعمته عليك وعلى آل يعقوب كما أتمها على أبويك من قبل إبراهيم وإسحاق إن ربك عليم حكيم.
And thus your Lord will select you, and he will teach you the interpretation of events, and will complete his favour upon you and upon the children of Yaqub, just as he completed it upon your forefathers previously, Ibrahim and Ishaq. Indeed, your Lord is all-knowing, most wise.
لقد كان في يوسف وإخوته آيات للسائلين.
Undoubtedly, in the account of Yusuf and his brothers, there are signs for those who inquire.
إذ قالوا ليوسف وأخوه أحب إلى أبينا منا ونحن عصبة إن أبانا لفي ضلال مبين.
And remember when they said, "Certainly Yusuf and his full brother are more beloved to our father than us, while we are a group. Our father is immersed in clear devotion to them."
اقتلوا يوسف أو اطرحوه أرضا يخل لكم وجه أبيكم وتكونوا من بعده قوما صالحين.
Kill Yusuf or banish him to some faraway land. Your father will then only focus on you. After that, become righteous people.
قال قائل منهم لا تقتلوا يوسف وألقوه في غيابة الجب يلتقطه بعض السيارة إن كنتم فاعلين.
A speaker among them said, "Do not kill Yusuf, rather cast him into the darkness of a well. A traveller will pick him up, if you are to do something."
قالوا يا أبانا ما لك لا تأمنا على يوسف وإنا له لناصحون.
They, the brothers, said, Dear father, what is with you that you do not trust us regarding Yusuf, although we are his well-wishers?
أرسله معنا غدا يرتع ويلعب وإنا له لحافظون.
Send him with us tomorrow, that he may eat fruit and play, and indeed we are his protectors.
قال إني ليحزنني أن تذهبوا به وأخاف أن يأكله الذئب وأنتم عنه غافلون.
He, Yaqub, said, Indeed, it saddens me that you should take him with you, and I fear lest a wolf devours him while you are heedless of him.
قالوا لئن أكله الذئب ونحن عصبة إنا إذا لخاسرون.
They said, Certainly if a wolf devours him while we are a group, we are definitely losers.
فلما ذهبوا به وأجمعوا أن يجعلوه في غيابة الجب وأوحينا إليه لتنبئنهم بأمرهم هذا وهم لا يشعرون.
So when they took him, and they agreed to cast him into the darkness of the well, and we revealed to him, You shall most certainly remind them of this deed of theirs while they will not perceive.
وجاءوا أباهم عشاء يبكون.
And they came to their father at night crying.
قالوا يا أبانا إنا ذهبنا نستبق وتركنا يوسف عند متاعنا فأكله الذئب وما أنت بمؤمن لنا ولو كنا صادقين.
They said, Dear father, we went far racing each other, and we left Yusuf behind with our provisions. Then a wolf devoured him. You will not believe us even though we are truthful.
وجاءوا على قميصه بدم كذب قال بل سولت لكم أنفسكم أمرا فصبر جميل والله المستعان على ما تصفون.
And they brought his shirt covered in fake blood. He, Yaqub, said, Rather your hearts have invented a matter, so patience is good, and it is Allah whose help is sought against what you relate.
وجاءت سيارة فأرسلوا واردهم فأدلى دلوه قال يا بشرى هذا غلام وأسروه بضاعة والله عليم بما يعملون.
A caravan came and sent their water carrier. He suspended his bucket and cried, "Glad tidings! This is a boy." They concealed him as merchandise, but Allah knows what they were doing.
وشروه بثمن بخس دراهم معدودة وكانوا فيه من الزاهدين.
And they, the brothers, sold him for a trivial sum of specified dirhams, and they were not inclined to him at all.
وقال الذي اشتراه من مصر لامرأته أكرمي مثواه عسى أن ينفعنا أو نتخذه ولدا وكذلك مكنا ليوسف في الأرض ولنعلمه من تأويل الأحاديث والله غالب على أمره ولكن أكثر الناس لا يعلمون.
And the man from Egypt who bought him said to his wife, "Accommodate him with honor. Perhaps he may benefit us, or we may take him as a son." Thus we granted an abode to Yusuf in the earth so that we may teach him the interpretation of dreams. And the will of Allah is predominant in his matters, but most people do not know.
ولما بلغ أشده آتيناه حكما وعلما وكذلك نجزي المحسنين.
And when he, Yusuf, reached the peak of his youth, we endowed him with wisdom and knowledge. Thus we recompense the virtuous.
وراودته التي هو في بيتها عن نفسه وغلقت الأبواب وقالت هيت لك قال معاذ الله إنه ربي أحسن مثواي إنه لا يفلح الظالمون.
And she in whose house he was tried to tempt him against his conscience. And she locked all the doors and said, "Come here." He said, "I seek the refuge of Allah. Indeed, He is the one who raised me and made my residence exceptional. Transgressors do not prosper."
ولقد همت به وهم بها لولا أن رأى برهان ربه كذلك لنصرف عنه السوء والفحشاء إنه من عبادنا المخلصين.
Undoubtedly, she desired him, and he would have desired her, had he not seen a sign from his Lord. Like this, we kept evil and indecency away from him. He is among our chosen people.
واستبق الباب وقدت قميصه من دبر وألف يا سيدها لدى الباب قالت ما جزاء من أراد بأهلك سوءا إلا أن يسجن أو عذاب أليم.
They both ran towards the door, and she tore his shirt from his back, only to find her husband at the door. She said, "What is the consequence for the one who intends evil for your wife, except imprisonment or a painful punishment?"
قال هي راودتني عن نفسي وشهد شاهد من أهلها إن كان قميصه قد من قبل فصدقت وهو من الكاذبين.
He, Yusuf, said, "She tried to seduce me against my conscience. A witness testified from her family. If the shirt is torn from the front, she has spoken the truth, and he is not truthful.
وإن كان قميصه قد من دبر فكذبت وهو من الصادقين.
But if the shirt is torn from behind, she has lied, and he is from the truthful."
فلما رأى قميصه قد من دبر قال إنه من كيدكن إن كيدكن عظيم.
So when he, the governor, saw his shirt torn from behind, he said, "Indeed, this is from the plotting of you women. Indeed, your plotting is great."
يوسف أعرض عن هذا واستغفري لذنبك إنك كنت من الخاطئين.
Yusuf, overlook this matter, and you, woman, seek forgiveness for your sin. You are surely among the wrongdoers.
وقال نسوة في المدينة امرأة العزيز تراود فتاها عن نفسه قد شغفها حبا إنا لنراها في ضلال مبين.
And some women from the city said, "The governor's wife tempts her young man against his conscience. Indeed, love has overwhelmed her heart. Indeed, we see her in clear infatuation."
فلما سمعت بمكرهن أرسلت إليهن وأعتدت لهن متكئا وآتت كل واحدة منهن سكينا وقالت اخرج عليهن فلما رأينه أكبرنه وقطعن أيديهن وقلن حاش لله ما هذا بشرا إن هذا إلا ملك كريم.
So when she heard their words, she sent them an invitation, arranged luxurious seats for them, and gave each one of them a knife, then said to Yusuf, "Come forth before them." When they saw him, they extolled him and cut their hands and said, "Allah is pure. This is not a human. This is a venerated angel."
قالت فذلكن الذي لمتنني فيه ولقد راودته عن نفسه فاستعصم ولئن لم يفعل ما آمره ليسجنن وليكون من الصاغرين.
She said, "This is he about whom you rebuked me. Undoubtedly, I tried to tempt him against his conscience, but he saved himself, And if he does not comply with what I order him, he will most certainly be imprisoned and be among the humiliated.
قال رب السجن أحب إلي مما يدعونني إليه وإلا تصرف عني كيدهن أصب إليهن وأكن من الجاهلين.
He, Yusuf, said, My Lord, prison is dearer to me than that they call me to, and if you do not turn away their deception from me, I will be inclined to them and be among the naive.
فاستجاب له ربه فصرف عنه كيدهم إنه هو السميع العليم.
So his Lord answered his prayer. So he turned away their deception from him. Indeed, he is the all-hearing, the all-knowing.
ثم بدا لهم من بعد ما رأوا الآيات ليسجننه حتى حين.
Then it became apparent to them, even after they had seen all the signs, that they shall most definitely imprison him for a while.
ودخل معه السجن فتيان قال أحدهما إني أراني أعصر خمرا وقال الآخر إني أراني أحمل فوق رأسي خبزا تأكل الطير منه نبئنا بتأويله إنا نراك من المحسنين.
And 2 young men entered the prison with him. One of them said, I have seen myself in a dream extracting wine. The other said, I saw myself carrying bread on my head from which birds were eating. Tell us the interpretation. We consider you to be among the virtuous.
قال لا يأتيكما طعام ترزقانه إلا نبأتكما بتأويله قبل أن يأتيكما ذلكما مما علمني ربي إني تركت ملة قوم لا يؤمنون بالله وهم بالآخرة هم كافرون.
He said, The food that you are provided will not come to you except I will inform you of its interpretation before it comes to you. This is from the knowledge my Lord taught me. Indeed, I have denounced the religion of the people who do not believe in Allah, and they are deniers of the hereafter.
واتبعت ملة آبائي إبراهيم وإسحاق ويعقوب ما كان لنا أن نشرك بالله من شيء ذلك من فضل الله علينا وعلى الناس ولكن أكثر الناس لا يشكرون.
I have followed the religion of my forefathers, Ibrahim, Ishaq, and Yaqub. It is not for us that we ascribe anything as a partner of Allah. This is the grace of Allah upon us and upon the people. However, most people are ungrateful.
يا صاحبي السجن أأرباب متفرقون خير أم الله الواحد القهار.
My fellow prisoners, are many different gods better, or Allah the One, the Omnipotent?
ما تعبدون من دونه إلا أسماء سميتموها أنتم وآباؤكم ما أنزل الله بها من سلطان إن الحكم إلا لله أمر ألا تعبدوا إلا إياه ذلك الدين القيم ولكن أكثر الناس لا يعلمون.
You only worship other than Him, names which you and your forefathers have named. Allah has not sent down evidence for them. The command belongs to Allah alone. He has commanded that you worship none except Him. This is the straight religion, although most people do not know.
يا صاحبي السجن أما أحدكما فيسقي ربه خمرا وأما الآخر فيصلب فتأكل الطير من رأسه قضي الأمر الذي فيه تستفتيان.
My fellow prisoners, as for one of you, so he will serve wine to his king. As for the other, he will be crucified, and birds will feed from his head. The matter about which both of you had inquired has been decreed.
وقال للذي ظن أنه ناج منهما اذكرني عند ربك فأنساه الشيطان ذكر ربه فلبث في السجن بضع سنين.
And he said to the one whom he thought would be saved of the two, mention me to your king. But Satan made him forget to mention Yusuf to his king. So he, Yusuf, remained in prison for a few more years.
وقال الملك إني أرى 7 بقرات سمان يأكلهن 7 عجاف و7 سنبلات خضر وأخر يابسات يا أيها الملأ أفتوني في رؤياي إن كنتم للرؤيا تعبرون.
And the king said, I dreamt of 7 fat cows being devoured by 7 lean cows, and 7 green ears of grain, and 7 others dry. O courtiers, answer me about my dream if you know the interpretation of dreams.
قالوا أضغاث أحلام وما نحن بتأويل الأحلام بعالمين.
They said, these are false dreams, and we do not know the interpretation of such dreams.
وقال الذي نجا منهما وادكر بعد أمة أنا أنبئكم بتأويله فأرسلون.
And the one who was saved of the two said, and he remembered after some time, I will relate to you its interpretation, so send me to Yusuf.
يوسف أيها الصديق أفتنا في 7 بقرات سمان يأكلهن 7 عجاف و7 سنبلات خضر وأخر يابسات لعلي أرجع إلى الناس لعلهم يعلمون.
Dear Yusuf, O truthful one, answer us regarding the 7 fat cows being devoured by 7 lean cows, and 7 green ears of grain and others dry, so that I may return to the people and they may know.
قال تزرعون 7 سنين دأبا فما حصدتم فذروه في سنبله إلا قليلا مما تأكلون.
He, Yusuf, said, You will plant grain for 7 consecutive years. Whatever you harvest, leave it in its ear, except for the little which you will eat.
ثم يأتي من بعد ذلك 7 شداد يأكلن ما قدمتم لهن إلا قليلا مما تحصنون.
Then there will come 7 years of hardship, which will consume what you stored for those years, except a little from what you will preserve.
ثم يأتي من بعد ذلك عام فيه يغاث الناس وفيه يعصرون.
Then there will come a year in which the people will be given rain, and they will extract juice and oil.
وقال الملك ائتوني به فلما جاءه الرسول قال ارجع إلى ربك فاسأله ما بال النسوة اللاتي قطعن أيديهن إن ربي بكيدهن عليم.
The king said, Bring him to me. So when the messenger came to him, he, Yusuf, said, Return to your king, then ask him, What of the women who had cut their hands? Indeed, my Lord knows their deception.
قال ما خطبكن إذ راوتن يوسف عن نفسه قلنا حاش لله ما علمنا عليه من سوء. قالت امرأة العزيز الآن حصحص الحق أنا راودته عن نفسه وإنه لمن الصادقين.
He, the king, said, O women, what was your state when you tempted Yusuf against his conscience? They said, Allah is pure. We did not find any evil in him. The wife of the governor said, Now the truth has become apparent. I wanted to tempt him against his conscience. He is among the truthful.
ذلك ليعلم أني لم أخنه بالغيب وأن الله لا يهدي كيد الخائنين.
Yusuf said, I did this so that he, the governor, comes to know that I did not breach his trust in his absence. Allah does not give success to the plots of traitors.